Hello and welcome guys. Today I'll be showing you how to install Code128 on your Excel to be able to print barcodes from different document file names, and basically to be able to print barcodes on Excel. And to do that, you can see I currently have Code128. If you want to have this font, just like I have here on my Excel. So say if I type anything in code, let's go back to Code128. So we have Code128. If I'm typing any information, you can see that becomes a barcode, even it's just letters and numbers and alphabets. So if we take that out, and you can also do this, you can type in information here, say a name, say James, you can say is equal to this, and we can make this Code128. Basically becomes a barcode. If you put a number, you can make this also a barcode, or you can just say, you can just copy whatever you have up there, and then that automatically becomes a barcode as well. You can position it as you like. You can position it as you like any way. So let's get down to installing the barcode. So first of all, you need to download the module file here, and then you can find out, just simply go to this URL, which I'm gonna paste in the descriptions. So you can just go on to this and then copy all the information you have here. You can copy everything you have here down to the end where it says end function, and then copy. And once that's copied, you can then come on to your Excel and go to Tools, Macro, Visual Basic Editor. And then once you're here, come onto this section where you have the project, VBA project. Simply right click or double tap, double click or two finger click on the MacBook, or right click on the Windows, and insert, go into insert module and paste that information here, and then save. And once you save that, that's all you got to do for this section. You can then close this and then come back here and install the Code128 with the link also that I'm going to paste in the description. And once you install that, restart your Excel and you have this barcode font available for you to use, just like this, just like we have here. So if you have any questions, guys, you can always post them in the comment section. Please like and subscribe if this has been helpful to you. If you need more clarification, please do not fail to send me a comment. Thank you.